Yamaha XT125R. Review 4-stroke engine easier to live with. Once upon a time, the learner motorcycle world was only filled with 2 strokes. And once your eyes had stopped running, the only quality trailie was Yamaha's XT125. And it was madly expensive. Nowadays the place is full of 4-stroke cheapies like Yamaha's XT125R, and we should be grateful. But we're not, because de-restricting 2-stroke learners was a piece of cake. You're stuck with the XT125R's 12.5 brake horsepower. Boo! Ride quality and brakes. The beam/cradle hybrid chassis is great, and combined with the Yamaha XT125R's wide bars, you can sling this motorcycle about like a terrier with a soft toy. The only limiting factors are the tall, narrow tires. The XT125R's brakes are fine, striking a balance between usable bite and new user-friendliness. Engine. The Yamaha XT125R's motor has just 12.5 brake horsepower rather than the full 15 brake horsepower legal limit Yamaha unleash in the identically engined YBR125. Why? Who knows, but the SOHC air-cooled single tries its hardest all the same. This motorcycle is helped particularly by its low weight, just 111 kilograms. The Yamaha XT125R is cheeky enough in its allotted element, namely the town, but it can bustle along okay along light trails, providing the going's not too sticky. Reliability and build quality. Yamahas enjoy some of the best build quality in the 125 sector. They're nicely screwed together and well finished, and the XT125R is typical of the breed. Our Yamaha XT125R owner's reviews tell a completely different story, though. Plenty of remarks mention corrosion and build quality problems. Value versus rivals. The Yamaha XT125R is cheap to buy new, coming in around the same price as Honda's super popular CBR 125R. But do you really want to be dropping so much cash on a motorcycle you're realistically only going to have for a year or 2 at most? Second-hand DTs are cheaper, offer more bang for your buck, and cost less to repair if the motor goes pop. Running costs are higher for the stroker, though. Equipment. The Yamaha XT125R is well presented and well equipped, with the exhaust tucked high up out of harm's way and a bash plate to protect the motorcycle's sump. The bars are sadly made of bend-o-matic monkey metal, and even gentle drops wreck them. Specs. Engine size 124 cubic centimeters. Engine type 4V single, 5 gears. Frame type tubular steel cradle. Fuel capacity 10 liters. Seat height 860 millimeters. Bike weight 118 kilograms. Front suspension none. Rear suspension preload. Front brake single 245 millimeters disc. Rear brake 220 millimeters disc. Front tire size 90/90x21. Rear tire size 120/80x18. MPG, costs and insurance. Average fuel consumption 55 miles per gallon. Annual road tax 22 pounds. Annual service cost 50 pounds. New price. Used price. Insurance group 5 of 17. How much to insure? Warranty term 2-year unlimited mileage.